Friends, in last lecture of course material testing and evaluation, we have discussed about what is cement, uses of cement, various types of cement, and chemical composition of cement. In this session, we are going to discuss in detail about the various types of cement and their uses. Myself, R.V. Zugdar, Assistant Professor, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Yedrao. We will first discuss about rapid hardening cement. As the name itself suggests, the cement which gets hard rapidly is called as rapid hardening cement. How it gets hardened rapidly? What things make it possible to become hard? When finely grounded tricalcium silicate, that is C3S content present in OPC with higher content, it gains strength more quickly as compared to OPC. This type of OPC is called as rapid hardening cement. Its initial setting time is 30 minutes and final setting time is 600 minutes. Now we will discuss about uses of rapid hardening cement. The rapid hardening cement is mostly used where rapid construction is needed, like construction of pavement, roads, etc. It also gives higher strength in case of mass concreting. Rapid hardening cement is used in wet climate and the location having moist condition or presence of water. Uses of rapid hardening cement is done where speed required for execution is more. Advantages and disadvantages of rapid hardening cement. Rapid hardening cement is used in the situation where rapid development of strength is desired. It requires a short period of curing. The shrinkage levels are lower during the hardening of curing process. A rapid strength gain is accompanied by higher rate of heat development and evaluation. Useful in cold environment and cold countries where concreting is in mass. It is resistant to sulfate attack and also offers resistance to any sort of chemical attack. It is used when sufficient strength of further construction is wanted. The rapid hardening cement is used for emergency work for roads, pavements, and repairs and maintenance work. It is used to increase the speed of construction where there is heavy traffic on a regular basis. It can be used in prefabrication concrete construction and it is generally used for construction of road pavements because we cannot stop traffic for any kind of maintenance and repair. The second type is quick setting cement. Quick setting cement is the cement which sets in very short time. The initial setting time is 5 minutes and final setting time is 30 minutes. The composition of quick setting cement is clinker of OPC, aluminum sulfate in 1 to 2% up to 3% by weight of clinker. The aluminum sulfate increases the heat of hydration rate of silicate. Uses of quick setting cement. The quick setting cement is used mostly for underwater construction because the setting time required underwater is less as compared to OPC and rapid hardening or rapid setting is required for immediate use of structure. It is also used in rainy and cold weather condition. The quick setting time cement is used a higher temperature where water evaporates easily. It is also used for anchoring or rock bolting, rock mining, and tunneling works. The next type of cement is low heat cement. It is a special type of cement produces low heat of hydration during the setting. Some chemical composition of ordinary Portland cement is modified to reduce the heat of hydration. The chemical composition of low heat cement is as follows: a low percentage, that is 5 up to 5% of tricalcium aluminate, that is C3A, a higher percentage up to 46% of declaiming silicate, that is C2S. Where OPC is not used, the low heat cement is utilized effectively. The use of low heat cement is done in following works. The low heat cement is used for construction of dams, large footings, large raft slabs, and wind turbines plinths. It is also used for construction of chemical plants. Advantages and characteristics of low heat cement. Low heat of hydration is 20% lesser than OPC cement. The amount of water required for hydration of such kind of a cement is very less as compared to OPC. It has high workability as obtained as concrete is fluidity in nature. It has good volume stabilization. Its initial strength is low but the high growth rate of final strength. More high technical strength of concrete. It has excellent impact erosion. It has property of wear resistance. It has lower temperature upward value of heat insulation. It has super high performance of chemical corrosion resistance. It has excellent resistance to drying shrinkage and good resistance to rupture. The next type of cement is sulfate resisting cement. The sulfate resisting cement is used to resist sulfate attacks in concrete. Due to the lower percentage of tricalcium aluminate, the production of calcium sulfoaluminates gets reduced. Where use of OPC is limited, then sulfate resisting cement is utilized effectively. The construction in contact with soil of underground water having more than 0.2% to 0.3% sulfate salts respectively. Concrete surface subjected to alternate wetting and drying such as bridge piers, concrete surface in the tidal zone, apron, building near the sea coast, effluent treatment plants, chimney, chemical industries, water storage, sumps, drainage works, cooling towers, coastal protective works such as sea walks, sea walls, breakwaters, tetrapods, etc. Blast furnace slag cement. The Portland cement clinker and granulated blast furnace slag are integrated to make blast furnace slag cement. The maximum of 65% of the mixture could be comprised of blast furnace slag. The uses of blast furnace slag are for the work like the workshop where sulfate resistance is required. It is frequently used in the seawater construction. High alumina cement. High alumina cement is obtained by mixing calcining bauxite. It's an aluminum ore and ordinary lime with clinker during the manufacture of OPC, in which the total number of alumina content should not be lesser than 32% and it should maintain the ratio by weight of alumina to the lime between 0.85 to 1.3%. Where alumina cement is used. It is used where concrete structures are subjected to high temperatures like workshops, refractories, foundries, etc. It is also used where the concrete is subjected to frost and acidic actions. Next is white cement. White cement is quite similar to ordinary Portland cement except for color. Amounts of iron oxide and manganese oxide are low in white cement. It is expensive than OPC, so not economical for ordinary works. Uses of white cement. It is usually used in a decorative type of works. It can also use for traffic barriers, tile grouts, swimming pools, roof tile patching, materials, and terrazzo surfaces. And next is colored cement. To make 5 to 10% of suitable pigments are ground with OPC type of pigment are selected according to the desired color. The use of color cement is done for aesthetic views. Color cement is used for different decorative type of works. The another type of cement is air entraining cement. It is seen that entrainment of air for formation of gas bubbles while applying cement increases resistance to frost action, fire, scaling, and other similar defects. Air entraining cement is the special type of cement which entrains tiny air bubbles in concrete. It produces by grinding minute air entraining materials which clinker by adding some resinous materials, for example, vinyl resin, to ordinary Portland cement. When the water is in concrete gets freezed due to low temperature, it expands. When air entraining cement, the air voids in concrete provides space for water to expand without cracking concrete. But this type of cement does not provide high strength in concrete. The uses of air entraining cement. Especially this type of a cement is used in areas where the temperature is very low. It also resists the sulfate attack on concrete. It is used where the de-icing chemicals is used. The next type of cement is expansive cement. In the hydration process, the expansive cement expands its volume. It can be possible to overcome shrinkage losses by using expansive cement. There are three types of expansive cement, such as K type expansive cement, M type expansive cement, S type expansive cement. The use of expansive cement for different type of works. The expansive cements are used in construction of pre-stressed concrete components. These are used for sealing joints and grouting anchor bolt. Expansive cements are also used in the construction of different hydraulic structures. This type of cement is very useful for water tightening and leakage proofing. The next type of cement is hydrophobic cement. Hydrophobic means the resisting water. To resist the hydration process in the transportation or storage stages, clinker are grounded with water repellent film, substances such as oleic acid, stearic acid. These chemicals form a layer on the cement particle and do not allow water to mix and start the hydration process. When cement and aggregate are thoroughly mixed in the mixture, protective layers break and starts normal hydration with some air entrainment. which increases workability. The use of hydrophobic cement is done in following type of works. Usually it is used in construction of water structures such as dams, spillways or other submerged structures. It is also used in the construction of underground structures like tunnel and borewells, etc. In this session, we have discussed about almost all type of cement, and in next lecture we will discuss about properties of cement and their utilization. Thank you.